haven't seen a good video or install of KEMIMOTO above overhead install for your speaker stereo system, so I thought I'd give you a little shot of what I installed on mine. As you can see, they're installed above, and on mine I actually installed mine above the bars because I'm a tall person and I need all the head clearance I can get. Of course, I ran my speaker wires down the side, down here, then across over underneath above the steering bracket. You don't want to lay on the steering bracket because it'll move back and forth and rub. I put both of my USB port and my actual controller over here. Down underneath, I actually mounted my, it's kind of hard to see because of the sun, but I mounted the amplifier on this piece of plastic on the back side that controls the whole unit. Just run some self-tappers through there. I don't ever put nothing in that compartment, so didn't really bother me too much to put it there. On the other side, because they are symmetrical, fitting comes out over here and it comes around. I ran the wire down, and on this side, instead of running it up underneath the dash, I just run it across this lower bar here because nothing ever gets in the way, and then run it up under there. You can kind of see a better shot of how I mounted it. Just use some self tappers on the back side. That way you're not putting it in the glove box, taking up your room there, and you're also not drilling into your gas tank like a lot of people unfortunately do. So that's pretty much the install of it. I will turn it on here in a minute and let you hear what it sounds like and get away from it from a distance so you can hear how loud it is. I have gone trail riding with it so far, and you know, obviously it's not like a aftermarket stereo system in your vehicle where you're going to have the greatest amount of sound and clarity or bass, but it does have sounds. You can hear the all the instruments very well. It is loud enough to overcome the exhaust sound and the rattles that come from Can-Ams, but other than that, it's a pretty good system, I think, for the money. I bought it on a Black Friday sale, so I got a killer deal on it, and just thought I would post this up so you guys could have an idea how it really works. Okay, it's been a minute since I've been back. As you can tell, my side-by-side's changed a little bit. I've added some windows and stuff to it, but I was going to record this ending for the sound of the new KEMIMOTO speakers that are above the head. So as you can tell, I have the Can-Am running, and I'm just playing some non-copyrighted music, but you can see how loud it is comparative outside. So here's a new song. So that's full volume on my Android phone. As you can tell how loud it gets as you get closer.